Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum lovely students. This is an online video by Britain International School System. Today we are going to study the subject English. So open up your fluency books. Do you know why we study fluency book? We study fluency book to be fluent in speaking English. So today we are going to study unit number 15, a ride on an elephant. Elephant is a huge animal. I'm sure you've taken a ride on an elephant like you've taken a ride on a camel. Unit number 15, a ride on an elephant. As you know, there are 4 friends, Ben, Nina, Tilly and Sam, and they are stuck on an island. Now they have to find 9 gold stars. Up till now, they've got 7. They're looking for the 8th star. Let's see if they can find it in this unit or not.
Unit 15. A ride on an elephant. It is Tuesday morning. Sam, Ben, Nina and Tilly are walking through the tall grass. It is hot and sunny. The children are tired and thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Me too. Let's have a drink.
Let's sit down on this big rock. But it is not a rock.
Help!
It's an elephant! Wow! This is fantastic!
We can see all the animals.
Zebras and giraffes.
They've got very long necks.
A crocodile and a hippo.
Look at that mouth. Look, lions.
Oh, I'm scared.
It's okay. They're sleeping.
How many stars have we got now?
We've got 7.
Star number 8? Where are you? The elephant is drinking in the river. Look! A gold star!
Hooray! Starlight, star bright, 1 star is missing tonight.
So now let's move to the words that are to be highlighted. We will highlight the words that we find difficult. For example, Tuesday, children, thirsty, walking, through, sunny, tired, rock, elephant, fantastic, animals, zebra, giraffe, crocodile, hippo, mouth, scared, sleeping, drinking, bright. Exactly like that. Come on, repeat after me. Tuesday, children, thirsty, walking, through, sunny, tired, rock, elephant, fantastic, zebra, giraffe, crocodile, hippo, mouth, scared, sleeping, drinking, bright. Yay! You did it so well. Thank you for watching today's video. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.